no one gets left behind. Now, this is a concept that's been bubbling around with me for quite a while now, really. But last year, I really put some clarity on this.
When the road is long and you feel so small, just look inside, stand up tall.
I've had different levels of training for a number of years, but I've put a particular focus on making it affordable for people at different stages of their property career. Now, I published a BRR guide. It was free to download. Did it in 2024, and literally thousands of people downloaded it. Sometimes they're going to be beginners, sometimes they're not quite beginners, and sometimes they're a bit more advanced, but just want to do things differently or do things to a higher level. But they're not already or able to make, a bigger investment in higher level training. So, the concept was really, let's try and make something available for everyone, even from a few £100s as a starting point. Most people could afford that. And if we make it affordable anyway, by doing some terms on it, pretty much everyone could afford to get into a bit of training with me if that's what they want to do. Now, I've got a full-on mentoring ninja investor program, but that may be a stretch too far for some people, and maybe they need to start smaller and work their way up to that. So in recent years, I've put other resources together. Now, one of the things I started in 2021 was 100% pitch-free networking conferences. So these are twice a year. Anyone's free to come along. A lot of people that train with me are there, but not exclusively so. I'll do a year beginning meeting in January and a summer barbecue in July. And why are they called 100% pitch free? Because it's just a cost covering exercise to get you there and put the event on, but you can come there knowing that you're not going to be pitched for training. And I think that's quite important, to give you that safe space where if you want to come to a networking event and know it's not a networking event with a hidden agenda, then pitch-free networking conferences have been a big success. And off the back of that came property chats, which are smaller midweek evening, monthly version of that, where those are free to attend. They're all over the country, and there are more pretty much opening up every month. And free to attend, no speeches, no speakers, no pitches to buy training, just come and chat property. So there's a lot of really low-level stuff there that's more the networking than the education side. Now, the property chats, they have one unified meeting date, which is the first Thursday of the month. And, hey, why don't you check one of the links around this page and find out where you can get to either a pitch-free networking conference half-yearly, or where you can get to a monthly property chat networking meeting. It's a really low cost or even free way to just chat with some people that are more experienced about property, but there'll be some beginners there as well. So wherever you are on there, you'll probably fit in just fine. Check around this page on the link, see what you can find.
If you enjoyed watching this video, did you know every Monday morning at 8:30, I do a live Facebook Q&A. So if you want to start the week with checking out some answers to your property finance questions, click the link here.